5 News.
And taking a look outside at our local weather cams tonight, we've been using the phrase calm before the storm all night tonight, and that's pretty accurate. But now that we're moving even a little bit closer to the storm coming in now, meteorologist Kayla Smith, those models that we've been sort of living and dying by are starting to calm down and kind of settle in on their numbers.
Really, they are starting to kind of make their way into their final forecasts and starting to really agree with each other, and it's really difficult kind of getting those models to agree, and that's what makes snow forecasting so difficult. But let's take a look outside of our satellite radar right now. Not really seeing any activity. We did see some flurries in Elkins, but they're not really showing up on the radar because they are so light. Nothing that's going to accumulate tonight. It's not until we zoom out to see the entire United States when we see this large system that is going to be bringing us that snow for Sunday into Monday. It's currently, a lot of that snow is over Iowa, and we're seeing those totals in Iowa getting up to around 6 to 12 inches, so dropping plenty of inches of snow, and that is going to be the case for us over Sunday and Monday. Here are those winter alerts associated with that storm, seeing a lot of Iowa under a winter storm warning as well as a winter weather advisory around that area. Part of West Virginia is under a winter storm warning to the southeast, but for our area, we are just under a winter storm watch under all of our counties from 10 a.m. Sunday until 10 a.m. Monday. Now, this is subject to possibly get increased as we get closer to the date, but this is what we are dealing with right now. So let's take a look at how this low pressure system is going to play out starting this Saturday at noon. We're going to start to see it tracking along those southeastern states, bringing a lot of rain down there, and then it starts to make its turn up towards the northeast. Around 3 o'clock on Sunday, we're going to be seeing most of that precipitation into north central West Virginia. This is around the time when we reach high temperatures for the day, and our highs will be a bit above freezing. So this precipitation is likely to start as a wintry rain-snow mix, which could cause some very icy conditions out on the road before we start to see that snowfall really ramping up. As we get towards overnight, that's when we're going to be seeing the heaviest snow from this system, and then that snow is going to start to lighten up as we get towards Monday afternoon. Most of the bulk of the accumulation is going to be stopping as we get later into Monday morning, but we will still be seeing possibly another inch or so, especially in the higher elevations as we get towards Tuesday, but very light after we get past Monday morning. We're also taking a look at wind gusts with this system. You could be seeing those gusts getting very high in the higher elevations on Sunday, up to possibly 50 miles per hour in those higher elevations. Going to die down a little bit for a few hours overnight, and then they're going to ramp back up in both the lowlands and the higher elevations on Monday, seeing 25 to 30 miles per hour in the lowlands and up to 40 miles per hour for those higher elevations. That could cause some very low visibility on those roads, blowing that snow around. So taking a look at what we expect to see in terms of snowfall totals, we're going to show you 2 models here. This is what the Euro is showing about 5 to 7 inches as we get further west, and then gradually increasing towards about 15 inches for the higher elevations. And then taking a look at the GFS, showing a little bit more as we get further west, with 7 to 10 inches across most of the lowlands, and about the same for those higher elevations. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. Those temperatures are going to be very chilly as we start next week. Monday going to be 29 degrees as that snow continues to fall. Not seeing 40s again until Wednesday, and not really seeing the sun until the end of next week.